In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for digital products fast and easy. Pinterest can be an incredible tool for showcasing your digital products and boosting your online presence. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and type in Pinterest in the search bar. Look for the official Pinterest link and click on it. This will take you directly to the main Pinterest web page. If you don't have an account yet, this is the perfect time to create one. Make sure to set it up as a Pinterest business account. Creating or converting an existing personal account to a business profile is completely free, and it unlocks a plethora of useful features that can help you analyze and improve your marketing strategy. Once your business account is ready, the next thing you'll want to do is create boards that focus on your digital products. Think of these boards as digital categories where you'll curate content related to your niche. For example, you might create boards like printable planners and trackers, social media templates for entrepreneurs, ebooks and guides for bloggers, or digital art prints and wall decor. Tailoring these boards specifically to your products will make it much easier for potential customers to find the content they are interested in. Now let's move on to the visual heart of Pinterest, your pins. You'll want to design high-converting pins to attract attention. A great tool for this is Canva, which allows you to create visually appealing vertical pins at the recommended size of 1000 by 1500 pixels. Use compelling text overlays on your pins to highlight the value of your product. For example, phrases like Content Planner Template, editable in Canva, or Printable Meal Planner Instant Download can catch the eye and clearly communicate what you offer. As you design your pins, don't neglect Pinterest SEO. This can greatly influence the visibility of your pins. Use relevant keywords in your pin titles, descriptions, and board names. Instead of a generic name like Planner Template, go for something more specific like Editable Digital Planner Template for students. Incorporate a few hashtags as well, such as hashtag printables, #digital products, or #Etsy printables to make your content more discoverable. Once your profile is set up and your pins are live, it's crucial to keep an eye on your analytics. Use Pinterest Analytics to track how many clicks and saves your pins are getting. Additionally, check the analytics on your own shop, whether through platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify, to monitor conversions into sales. Identify which products are gaining the most traction and consider making more pins for your best sellers. You might also invest in Pinterest ads to give your top-performing pins an extra boost. By consistently analyzing and refining your strategy, you can effectively scale your efforts and maximize your sales. And there you have it, a straightforward roadmap to using Pinterest effectively for your digital products. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.